Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Tim McCourt, Global Head of Equity Index and Alternative Investment Products at CME Group, to discuss E-mini Nasdaq-100 options. Tim, it's great to see you again. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Yeah, thanks, Jill. Thanks for having me. Always a pleasure.
And Tim, we're seeing some pretty nice volume pickup here in this product.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, in general, NASDAQ trading has been on a continued tear the last few years, and 2021 is certainly no exception. When we also look at options, options were up about 55% versus 2020, where we're doing over 25,000 contracts per day in the E-mini, and the recently launched micro NASDAQ options are also doing phenomenal here in 2021, averaging about 1,000 contracts per day, with 8 of the top 10 trading days in micro NASDAQ options happening last month in March.
And Tim, where are you seeing the large percentage of growth come from?
It's really interesting because it's kind of coming from all over the curve. But when we look at the E-mini Nasdaq options, we're really seeing a lot of growth in the Friday weekly options. Short dated trading in options is certainly a trend that's been around for a few years. And I would say it's certainly accelerated here in 2020 and 2021. So no surprise that we're seeing volume in the Friday weekly options, and also why we've recently announced the launch of Monday and Wednesday E-mini Nasdaq options, which have gone live today.
And that will be the XND?
That's correct. So there are options on the NQ futures at CME Group. So that's the NASDAQ-100 future. And those are the E-mini, the older sibling of the micro. So those are the classic E-mini options that launched today for Monday and Wednesday expirations.
And Tim, what will trading on the Monday, Wednesday expiration allow investors to do?
That's a great question. Just like I was saying, we've certainly seen a trend towards these shorter dated expirations. That's been seeing phenomenal growth in the current NASDAQ complex, as well as some of the other index properties at CME Group. And it's really about increasing the precision by which traders can manage macro events, earnings announcements. So all those great things they're doing with Friday options, they can now also do that Mondays and Wednesdays with more precision around some of those news events, or whether the other options they have in their portfolio with respect to single stock names or ETFs, complementing all those positions are now options on futures Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in the NASDAQ future.
All right, Tim, great catching up with you as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at NASDAQ.